Hi, welcome to another episode of Sex and Happiness with me, Laurie Handlers, and my co-host,
Michael Gibson.
Yay! And today we're taking another question that we were asked on one of our Facebook groups. It's a question from Christine Maldonado, who is in Ecuador. Hi, Christine.
Hi, Christine.
So great to hear from you.
Yeah.
Anyway, the question is...
Well, Christine asked when to call or when to text. And communication now is kind of crazy. She says WhatsApp, Instagram, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. It gets sometimes tricky with it.
So I have a big response to this. First of all, I'm not from the generation of texting. I'm from the generation of pick up the phone and call somebody. And in regards to this, I want to say that texting, whether it's on your phone or whether it's on WhatsApp or whether it's on Telegram or Signal, texting is for short messages. Mm-hmm. Texting is for, hi, I'm on the way, or hey, I'm running late, or are you available to talk? Mm-hmm. Do you have some of those yourself? Do you have any others?
I think those are great. And, these are little updates. I mean, texting could be really relegated to updates, but can you have a conversation via text? And I know a lot of people that try.
People have tried to have whole conversations with me via text, and I say, excuse me, this is not a texting conversation.
No.
This is a conversation we have to have and hear each other's voice or see each other in person. So our advice to you is to use texting for short announcements or updates on your status or your situation.
Or an I love you.
Yeah, I love you, heart, heart, heart emoji. We love those.
Yeah.
But a solid communication takes place between the persons who are communicating, and you need to hear the other person's voice. Mm-hmm. I need to see the other person's face, and I need to know the inflection of their voice. I need to know really what's happening, and unfortunately, texts...
It doesn't do it.
Doesn't afford you that.
No, it doesn't. Yeah. So again, if you're going to have a deeper conversation, even if it's not, like a conversation of confronting something or whatever, but if it's a conversation that requires more information than just, hey, I'm on my way or something of that nature, yeah, you definitely want to make sure that you get on a call and or do FaceTime or do a Zoom call or something.
Yeah, something where you see the other person and you hear the other person. Now, if you don't have communication skills and you don't know how to have the hard conversations with somebody, that's something that Michael and I teach. Yeah. We teach people to have the hardest conversations, especially those that are about sex, which almost nobody talks about.
And we call that courageous communication.
Right. So you can find out more about that from us by listening to our commercial on this show or by writing to us. And you can write to us. You can write to me, Laurie, at lauriehandlers.com. And you can write to Michael at
lauriehandlers.com.
Right. So that's how you find us if you want more information about how to communicate the hard things. Christine, thank you so much for that question. Most people are baffled. There's so many forms of communication these days. They're distracted, like deers in the headlights. And they're also baffled, like, how do I talk to somebody about it who mostly texts? So thank you for that. It was a really good question.
Yep. Thank you. And then we'll see you next time. But in the meanwhile, take a look at our website, lauriehandlers.com. And if you're interested in learning more about some of the things that we teach, just go to the Work With Us link on the top of the page. And we'll have more information for you there.
Yeah, if you want to know about sex and happiness.
Yes.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.